it. Hey everyone, just got your first e-bike. Awesome. Let's go over a few quick tips to make your first rides amazing. First, get comfortable with the bike before you even turn it on. Ride it like a regular bicycle to get a feel for its weight and handling. Next, when you're ready for power, start with the lowest assist level. It might feel surprisingly fast at first, so ease into it. Remember to brake earlier than you would on a normal bike because e-bikes are heavier and faster. And speaking of safety, always wear a helmet that's non-negotiable. Finally, keep an eye on your battery level, especially on longer rides, so you don't run out of juice far from home. That's it. Stay safe, have fun, and enjoy the ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.